I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to scan documents with this phone. So you can actually scan documents and save them as PDF. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your document is uh, available for you and you're in a good lighted condition so that you don't have any shadows. And then the next thing you want to do is launch the camera app on your phone. And on the camera app, if you scroll on this menu and tap on more to access the more settings, you should see doc scanner. So you can tap on that. And if it's the first time, of course, it's going to take you to this page where you have to agree and continue. And then it wants to take pictures, of course, while using the app. And then, of course, to access photos and videos on this device, allow limited access. Just tap on, let's just tap on allow all. Okay. So now we are ready to scan documents. So what you need to do is just simply place the document in the viewfinder like that. So make sure the document is as straight as possible. And then tap on and make sure the camera is parallel to the document and then tap on that. And then that's going to scan the document. And then now you can go, if the document has multiple pages, you can now go to the next page, prepare the next page, and then scan the next page. Like that. And then let me scan one more page. And tap on that. Then once you finish scanning your document, just tap on next. And as you can see, that's what our document looks like. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can crop some sections of the document that you don't like. So for instance, if you want to increase or reduce some areas, but for me, mine has been captured perfectly. As you can see, all 3 pages have been captured to perfection. If you want to, you can rotate one of the pages. Let's say you want to rotate the first page. Okay. But if you're happy with the scan, you can just tap on continue. Now, before you tap on continue, actually, you have some effects that you can add to that particular scan. For me, I just tap on save, and then it's going to give me the option to either save as an image or as a PDF. Now, since it's a document, because we're scanning, I want to save as PDF. And then the document has been saved. And now if I want to, I can open it using any of the PDF viewers. So for instance, let me open with this PDF viewer. And as you can see, there is my PDF document. Okay, that's the first page, second page, and third page, complete with page numbers. Okay, so if I want to access that document in future, I can simply go to the Files app and then go to Documents, and I should find my scanned document here, and I can open it anytime. So that is basically how to scan documents with your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.